Well, I'm sorry. I didn't mean for that. Last part in Fireworks Part 1, I'm probably going to name it that. Sorry. That was by mistake. People brought their rocket copters, as you could see there.
A little rocket copter.
Oh, that was completely by mistake.
I don't know what my pin is. This is my pin. Is that my pin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6?
Whoa.
Put that on YouTube.
If you're not recording the playlist, then don't record, baby.
I just stopped. I'm making title.
Hey, one piece just fell! Or it was oh my gosh, one piece just fell. Or it was part of a tree. Possibly. Hi. I just went hi into the camera. I just said hi to the camera.
I prefer
Fireworks Part 1, which is what I'm going to name mine. Should I split this into 4 parts or 2, Mom? Because this is super long, should I split it into
Probably.
4 or 2?
Probably at least 2. How many have you done now?
This is 2 by mistake because the first one I accidentally deleted. Wait a minute. Wow, time.
Okay, yeah, I would do another one.
Okay, that's going to be a part 3 and part 4.
I like that one.
Wow. This looks like a movie, like I'm filming a movie.
Mom,
If you're watching on their phone, which hopefully you are, turn your head sideways. As it's nice.
dude, what do I do after this?
Okay.
Dude, what do I do with this? Dude, what do I do? Public?
Wait till you have Wi-Fi.
Dude, look.
Public.
Public. Now what? Now what?
Now wait till we get home. Make another part. Make part 2. Because we can't post it without Wi-Fi.
This is what I said. But that was a good time. It was kind of cool by things. And then what I said is firework part. I want to do it like now.
Do you want, baby? Is this towel keeping you warm? Carter, where's your towel? You don't want it?
Can I have
You're
yours?
not covered up with it. Let
I have
Chris use
yours?
it if you don't want it.
No, I want yours.
I want mine.
Carter.
Carter, it's
I
low.
see a baby one.
I did too. I'm seeing a few duds. Oh.
Come on, go fast. Mom, do you like when they go fast? Do you like when they go fast? These ones, I like the ones that they go up fast.
Yeah.
I don't like the ones that go up slow. Ooh.
Unfortunately, it's night, so the things take because it's colder at night, so the things are taking longer.
Remember when we get
So
home, we're gonna go
it's
hot dogs?
longer to hear.
Yep, when we get back to the other side. We got Mexico too.
You know there's a rocket copter that spins in the air like a helicopter, but it comes down.
Post that online.
That's the one that There's stuff coming down from the sky.
Like those leaves. Leave. Oh, no egg dish. Thought they were leaves.
Found a part.
Oh, I'm on yours, Carter. I was on my brother's.
So this is a piece of firework.
It's paper from a firework.
You can't make people down.
What the heck? A pink one was hit by a green one and went down. Dud.
That was a dud, really?
Yeah, I saw dud. Duh.
They're going up fast now. Come on.
What, are you taking pictures? I can take a pic.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Okay,